Good morning, everyone. It's Bobbie. I'm very anxious and excited to show you my latest project. It's been a long time coming, but it's been a labor of love, and I've really enjoyed making this for my grandson. This is a large box that I purchased from Michael's. Might be kind of hard to see because it's really large, but it says country on it. It has florals. It has a rooster. It's all in grays, reds, and kind of a charcoal color. It's just really, really pretty. It has magnet closure on it. And on the inside, it's all in yellows and grays. I hope you can see all the inside of the lid. It's so pretty. And inside, I have made him 4 folios, 4 recipes. And I'll show them to you one by one. I've also put a divider on the side to house all the extra recipe cards that he can fill out as he goes along. But I will have some of our family favorites in the box, or the folios. Okay. Now each of these are covered with the craft film from Country Craft Creations. The first one is for the main courses. And up here it says Home Cooking from the Heart. I have covered each one of them with the craft film. And you can see how nicely they open. That way it's protected for any spills in the kitchen. Excuse me. Okay, so these are some graphics that I had in my stash. This little chef came from a calendar of chefs, and there was a chef on each of the 12 months. They are so cute, and I just scanned them and cut them down and then fussy cut them out. This is from a graphic set from Hugbug. They're not in existence anymore, and I have lost a lot of my graphics when I had to replace my hard drive, so I have a few of them left, this being one of them, and I just love that little pantry. And on the inside, it is just a folio. Oh, this kind of got mashed. It'll be okay once it's filled out. At the top, I have a little banner that says Family Recipes, a spoonful of love added to every recipe. And this came from a digital collection that I have. Yeah, I guess you can see that. Then I have on the left side 2 waterfalls. I had to stop and think. On this one, this is a graphic off of, what is the name? My Cute Graphics. And there's a lot of free graphics there. And I just simply added Eat More Chicken on it. And then this is your waterfall. And there will be recipes in each one as we go through. And then this one has the rooster. And he says, I beg your pardon. Or a chicken, whatever he is. And it's just the reverse of the above one. Then on the right side, this is for all our favorite family dishes, American style. And on the left for our other favorites are from Mexico and from Italy. I have one grandson who Mexican food is his favorite, the other one Italian food is his. So I made a little pocket for each one of those. And they hold the 4x6 cards, and these come from a Bow Bunny collection that I got from Tammy at Country Craft Creations, and they fit in there just perfectly. So that is folio number 1, and there's 4. The second one is for breakfast foods. And at the top of this one, oh, I didn't even show you the outside. I have this rooster with farm eggs. These are more from the Hugbug that I mentioned I lost when I lost my hard drive. Little by little, every now and then, I can find 1 or 2 of them scattered around through the internet, and I just drag and drop them into my print shop and save them so that I can use them again. This one was a purchased dimensional die from Hobby Lobby. This is another Hugbug, and this is off of the collection. I'm not sure if it's Bobbie. I have so many different recipe paper collections, and I've just mixed them all together. Okay, this one is breakfast, and at the top it says breakfast, the most important meal of the day, and I just got this off the internet and printed it, and then I had these little metal utensils in my stash, so I used those. Then I just made a pocket here, and it is open at the top if you want to insert something under it, but I didn't. I made two little file folders to hold recipes, and there's one in this one. I don't think I have anything in the second one yet. Just like that. This is a digital paper, and you can print on both sides. And then at the bottom, just a little banner I found on the internet that says the best breakfast in town. And then on the right hand side, I have two more of the pockets. This one has a little chef, biscuits and gravy, and then the little label says homemade biscuits and gravy, special recipe. That is one of my favorites, sausage gravy and biscuits. And then at the bottom it says, here's the chicken. It says which came first, the chicken or the egg. And again, you can see these little folders have plenty of room. They'll hold 30 to 40 recipe cards in each one. And again, this one is wrapped with the craft film. Okay, number 3. Number 3 is for desserts. Now, I absolutely love this little chef. He is just the cutest little fella, and he's holding a cherry pie. And here's all your flour, sugar, vanilla, bowl of eggs, and it says baked with love. I hope I'm getting this where you can see it. Okay, on the inside, I have a rolling pin that I printed "Oh My Apple Pie" on. We have a barrel of apples, the word yum, and then this one has 3 of the folders. This one has apple pie on it. I don't have a lot of space here to show you, so I'm having to move it back and forth. This one has a cupcake on it, and then we have a little mini waterfall down here at the bottom. This is the Bo Bunny recipe cards. I just scanned them and shrunk them so that they would fit. And then you've got the front and the back of each recipe card. So that's number 3. One more to go. Okay. And here is number 4. This one is for side dishes and appetizers. It's all in greens. This is from the Homegrown collection, and I forget which paper company that is, but I did get it at Country Craft Creations. It's all green and yellow in the background. Also wrapped with the craft film. I just love this stuff. It is so awesome. On the inside, I have another rolling pin. It says homemade with love. We have the salt and pepper shakers, stack of bowls, and down here the paper has hot pad mitts, and then I've just got some graphics, and this came from the paper collection as well. And this shows you the cards, how nicely they fit in there. On this side, this is from the cut-aparts in the collection. And this is some of the blank cards. And then there's a waterfall here at the bottom. It says, I love you from my head to my toes. And it has a magnet and has 3 of the large cards. So that is my gift to my grandson. There's so many recipes he wants to save, and so this is what I made for him. We have to add all our recipes to it yet, but it's just absolutely gorgeous, and I am so happy with the way it turned out. So on the inside of the box, you can see it was just a hollow box like this, and I just added this divider and put some extra cards here for him. So as he adds more recipes to whatever I give him, then he'll have a really nice keepsake. Alright, that's it guys. I hope you enjoy it. If you have any comments, please let me know. I'd love to hear from you guys. I've really missed connecting with you lately, and I'll try to do better here in the near future. Thanks a lot for watching, and have a great day. Bye.